Hello everyone, just a quick follow-up to the last project that we built, the random user generator. I added the title right here in my app.js, and then I realized that I forgot to add the actual functionality to generate random users. So I placed this button on the bottom here where if you click it, it will generate another user for you. So that was technically the whole point of the application. So in order to do that, you can go into your app.js and you can add this title if you want. If you don't want, you can just leave it out. But this is the title that says random user application right here at the top. But for the functionality of the button, you have to go into fetch users, and then right before the closing div, and outside the div that we have displayed as flex right here, so on bigger screens outside of this div that is holding this data, right, just below that you can add a button and then set the onClick attribute to an inline function, an inline arrow function, as you can see, and then you can just call your fetch users data function that we created at the top. So this function right here, where every time that the user clicks the button, then this function is called, and then it will fetch a new user, and then it will set the data that is got from the from fetching. It will set it into the set users function, which manipulates our users state value, and then obviously all our logic inside here will display our data for us. So every time I click this, you'll notice that it generates another user for us. It takes a while. I think it's because my internet speed is a bit slow. It's a bit out, so yeah, but basically that's it. And I wanted to take it a step further so that this video actually has meaning. And what I did is I logged into my Netlify account. So you can just go to netlify.com and log into your account and then say new site from Git, and we deployed it to GitHub, right? So once it's logged in, and I'm just going to say search for random user should appear. So random user app. So this is the app that we've just built, and I would like to deploy it. So deploy site, everything here is correct because our branch deploys the main branch and everything. So I'm just going to pause the video, and then once this finishes running, I'll be back. Okay, as you can see now that this has finished running, I would like to change the name of the website link up here because this is ridiculous. So just go to site overview and site settings and change site name. Set this to something like random user app. I'm pretty sure this one is taken. Yep. So let's just say random user react app. Let's see that. There you go. So that now if you navigate to this link, then it should show our application which you've just created. And there you go. So we have our title represented right there, and we have our buttons. So let's try next person, and you can see once I click next person, it generates another person for us. So it's working very nice, looking very nice. And that will be it. This is just a follow-up video because I forgot to do this in the last video, and I think I'm going to leave a link for the actual project that we built. So thank you guys for watching.